Jungle boy, I'm outside, more than ever my pad, looking right eye, driving cars that aren't even mine.
Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can mix and master your beats to get that modern gritty sound. I'm using a melody loop, so I'm just going to play it for you real quick and then we're going to go straight into the drums. So without wasting any time, let's go. Pretty hard melody if you ask me. Let's add the snare pattern now. Going with that HoodTrap sound. That's what I'm getting from the melody. So I'm gonna lay the same pattern with a different snare. Add a couple more sounds, just get experimental with it. Added this little perk to kind of fill out some of the empty spots. Added another perk. I added a stomp to kind of support the kick a little bit. And I added the actual kick. Added this epic bass. And the 808 bass. Just a basic pattern. This is how my mix looks. All my snares are around 14 dB. Other sounds below 15, some above 15, but they're not going above 10. I got the stomp around 3 dB, and that's 3 dB, and my kick around 0.2, and I got the 808 around 1.0. Yeah. Here, as you can see, my 808 is around 1.0. Yeah. And to get that distorted sound, use distortion and choose those presets. This is how it sounds without it. And that's about everything. So I'm just gonna play the full thing. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. And if you have anything in mind, just leave them in the comments. Peace.